got the heat shield installed, and as you can see, I hope you can see, it is straight. I mean, right down the line, measured and everything else. It looks really good. I've also decided on what I'm going to do as far as the sights. I'm going to find me, I found these sights, and they don't glow with the crap. But what I'm going to do is find me some sights I can buy, True Glow or Cheap Boy, whatever, probably pistol sights. And I'm going to put them right over the top of that. I'm going to take it off and get it where I can screw it. This would probably work, except the filaments, not worth the crap. But as you can see, it fits perfectly on top of that. So anyway, I'm going to end up putting this straight to the barrel with the proper screw. It doesn't have a rear sight. I'll probably put an adjustable sight up and down, left and right, and windage. Look at dirty fingernails back here, but as you can see, there's room. There's also a tap hole that I can make it work. Looks really good. If you put one of these on, they're attached in two places. These are the forward screws. The aft or mid is basically just two pieces, but put some rubber around it and clamp it. Take your barrel off, clamp it where it gets a real good fit. I mean, this thing isn't moving a bit. And I set it where it matches completely with the action. I mean, that's pretty good right there, pretty solid. And I got these set in. I wish I had put some Loctite on them, but I didn't. Because I'm going to see how they handle. They say sometimes they'll back, or if they do, I can fix that. I'll figure a way of blocking that off. But pretty pleased with it. Boy, it looks good too, man. Yeah, baby. Waiting on my stock, which is ATI Tactical Battleship Gray. I've got some paint that's made for this. I'll clean it, sand it, just one piece. Paint it to match the stock. The reason this is taking so long is because, well, they just are out of stock. But they'll get them. ATI is a good company. I've used them a lot. And I've taken shot slugs out of this thing and everything else. I really didn't want to do much shooting with it as far as trying to get it sighted in, because it's, we have lots of ammo here, especially shotgun. But since I'm going to change the stock out, and I wasn't sure about the sights, I may not even need sights. I mean, it's a shotgun. I've shot forever without any rear sights. They're just a bead, but I want it to look cool, tactical, like all these jokers that you see at the gun range are used to. And this is my baby. And this thing is, I mean, it shoots. I take it apart too much and clean it and oil it. But, man, I've tried to make this thing jam up and fail, and it hasn't. Pretty. Best little, and I paid less than $200 for this thing. Brand new. And I think it's solid as a rock, and it's as good as a 500. I don't care what you say. A mossberg barrel there's a turkey barrel they've got out that's I'm thinking about purchasing, though. I won't be doing any turkey hunting. I used to, but it's a longer fluted barrel, and it's also pretty cool. Has the rifling. I know, I said I wasn't going to do more videos. When I finish this project, I will delete everything I've got. I promise.